It's finally happening. The Bitcoin price is breaking out. Could this potentially be the move to bring us back up towards 30,000? Let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. Well, would you look at that, ladies and gentlemen? The crypto gods have finally blessed us with a breakout here on the Bitcoin chart. And if you are subscribed to this channel, then you would know that this is a scenario that we've been outlining as a possibility over the past several streams. I told you guys to keep a close eye on the S&P 500 chart as we were pushing up on this critical resistance level, and if we were to break through, that this could provide a short-term pop upwards for the Bitcoin price as well. And what do you know, ladies and gentlemen? Whoopsies! We've ripped right through that level here today. Now, things are a little interesting here, folks, as we did see Alphabet, aka Google, report less than expected earnings yesterday, and this did send both the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq 100 downward after hours yesterday. It seems today that we are seeing a bit of a market recovery here, but the reason that this is important is because, in my opinion, Bitcoin has been very closely correlated with the price action movement of both of these indices over the past few months. So yesterday, when I saw that Google reported less than expected earnings, when I saw that the market began to sell off, and that Bitcoin was headed up into this very critical area here of downward sloping resistance, horizontal local resistance, and the top of the one-day Keltner channel band indicator, which, again, if you are subscribed to this channel, you would know that I've been pointing it out for months, ladies and gentlemen, that the top of the Keltner channel band has been and proven to be extreme resistance for Bitcoin all throughout this bear market. So seeing these three things come into confluence here, well, ladies and gentlemen, to me, this was an area of concern. I actually did wind up sticking a little short on in this range, but once we broke through this level, I did close the short out at a very small loss, and I am back on the sidelines once again, because I told you that right now this market is at a crossroads, okay? Yes, overall, this market is still on a bearish trajectory in my opinion, but it's very possible here that we could see another short-term relief rally, not only here on Bitcoin, but I'm talking about the US equities market as well, okay? Upturns in bear markets are normal. They happen all of the time. You have to understand this. And just to make a point, let's go back in Bitcoin history, okay? Understand that back here at the end of the 2013 bull run, which then popped into a bear market for a minus 87% decline down, I just want to show you guys that look at all of these bear rallies here. We had this one go up over 160%. This one here go up roughly 80%. This one here go up roughly 100%. This one here go up over 50%. All the while, we were still in a longer-term bear market that wound up dropping over 80% from top to bottom. Let's get this crypto. I just wanted to show you the reality of that situation. We can look at this here as well in 2018. I mean, you guys get the idea. There are a ton of rallies within bear markets while the trend is still ultimately moving downward. So here in the current day, I'm not ruling out the possibility of a mega rip to the upside if the US equities market continues to surge. Now, I showed you guys this news the other day, but I'll pull it up once again right here. We did have news that it's more so a rumor that allegedly several Federal Reserve members are expressing concern that the rate hiking is getting too aggressive and that this actually may be detrimental to both the economy and the markets more so than they even intended when they began the rate hiking cycle. So this is leading market speculators to say, hey, is it possible that they're actually going to let up on the hiking? Are they going to take their foot off the gas just a little bit? And could this give some relief to the markets? Okay. And based off of this rumor, really, we are seeing the markets pop to the upside. So if markets are going to continue to run here, Well, folks, then Bitcoin breaking out of this pennant pattern formation, which still, ladies and gentlemen, this formation is generally more bearish than bullish. But if we are seeing this downward sloping resistance line broken now, if we are seeing this line of flat horizontal resistance broken, if we continue to see the equities market move up, and if we continue now to see the US dollar index plunge here, ladies and gentlemen, let's go into the one-day chart here on the US dollar index. Now, this thing has been ripping, right? I mean, this has been a chart on a mission here, folks. I mean, this almost looks like the Bitcoin chart from back in the bull run, right? I mean, this thing has gone absolutely parabolic. But right here, right now, we are seeing the price action struggle a bit. Mind you, nothing has structurally changed in terms of the longer term trend. We are still on a higher high and higher low trajectory here, okay? Nothing's changed yet, but this action right here is looking a little worrisome, okay? Not saying that this can't just reverse and keep going. The probability for it to continue is obviously still very high, as nothing has structurally changed yet, right? But if this does in fact mark at least a short-term top here for the US dollar index, and we do continue to see this price action move down, well, folks, we should all know, if you are subscribed to this channel, that a weak US dollar index has been extremely bullish for the crypto market, as we saw back in 2017 and as we saw back in 2020/2021. And these huge upwards moving DXY markets have been terrible for crypto and Bitcoin. So if we do finally start to see the DXY cool off here and begin to move down a bit, just as it has been over the past week or two, well, folks, this could be a tailwind for the Bitcoin price, and possibly we could see a move higher. I just wanted to set the table with that before we get back to the Bitcoin chart. Now, in terms of targets to the upside here, if, keyword if, this market is going to see another relief rally here, just based off the price action first. I have this range here basically from 25,000 up to 29,000, which is based off of this wick here, and then obviously this multi-month range of old support, which could then possibly look to be back tested as new resistance. So just based off the price action alone, that is a range for me between 25 and 29,000 to look for Bitcoin to potentially test up into. Now, if we take our Fibonacci tool here and we drag it from the last high, right? We're dragging it from this high here down to the bottom, right? This was the majority of the move there. You can see that we do have our golden fib up here at about 33,459, and we do have the 0.5 fib at almost 30,000. For me, folks, you guys know, if you're a long-time subscriber to this channel, that I refer to the level on the fib between the 0.5 and the 0.618 as the honey hole of Don Curbonaccio. I like to target between the 0.5 and the 0.618. So I do really love seeing that the top of my price action target range is lined up right here with the 0.5 fib. Let's get this crypto. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are enjoying here today, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for the thumbs up. And if you're brand new, welcome to the most must-see and most realistic Bitcoin analysis show on YouTube, period. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all so you do not miss any more of these important Bitcoin updates. Welcome to the channel. So, ladies and gentlemen, overall right now, it's possible that this rumor from the Federal Reserve possibly looking to ease up on the tightening, yada, 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 will be enough to continue to propel both the equities market and the crypto market higher, and possibly put downwards pressure on the US dollar index. But until proven otherwise, please understand, this market structurally, from a higher high and higher low perspective, has not changed its trajectory. Okay, this, until proven otherwise, still looks bearish. Again, as I showed you earlier in the video, that does not mean that we can't see huge rallies amidst a longer term bear market. This is normal. It happens all the time. And this could be one of those times now where we stick in a short-term bottom. Maybe we pump for a few weeks, maybe we pump for a few months, and then look to continue the bear market down if we do continue to see Fed hiking and less than favorable economic news. We have to keep our eyes on the prize here, folks, and that is staying on the right side of the trade as much as possible. We can't win them all, right? Nobody can win them all. But keeping a level head here and not just being a reckless, delusional moonboy degenerate can go a long way in these types of market conditions, because when it's time to get in a long, you go long. When it's time to close that long and say, hey, maybe this was just another rally that's going to fail, maybe we are still in a bear market, it could be time to stick in the short. You understand? The problem with the moonboys is that they will never go short. They're always saying it's the bottom, right? Up here at 40,000, it's the bottom, Kirby. Here at 30,000, it's the bottom, Kirby. Here at 20,000, it's the bottom, Kirby. It'll be the bottom at every price point. Do you understand? To them, it's always the bottom. And then nobody ever gives them a slap on the wrist to tell them, hey man, didn't you say it was the bottom back up here at 55,000? Didn't you say it was the bottom up here at 45,000? Nobody ever checks these moonboy degenerates, right? That's really what's inherently bizarre to me in this space, is the amount of delusion that, everything must always be bullish and that we're always going to the moon. I mean, this is a market just like anything else, ladies and gentlemen. It's just like the equities market, the real estate market, commodities market. It goes through cycles, right? Just like everything. This is why the Wall Street cheat sheet psychology of a market cycle is so relevant. I mean, it's just a chart of human emotions. That's all these price charts are. They're just human emotions, right? Expressed in the form of price action. So, sure, it's possible right now that we continue up, and if we do move up, I'll continue to adjust my strategy on the fly, remain cautious, because going long in a bear market is always riskier than going short, at least in my opinion. But if the move is going to go up, I'll look to potentially ride that thing for all it's worth, and then potentially look to take profit and get in a short to ride this thing back down if the trend is going to continue back down. Let's get this crypto. Right now, folks, you have to be nimble. You have to be open to changing on the fly, in my opinion, right? You do whatever you want. I'm just stating, in my opinion, for myself, right now, I believe that being open to a plethora of different outcomes is very, very important, because right now, this really is the crossroads here. We could be on the brink of a 40% move down, right? Down towards maybe 12,000 or so, or we could really be headed back up into my range here between 25K, 29K, maybe even up to 33K, which could be anywhere from basically a 23% up to almost a 60% move to the upside. Let's get this crypto. So right now, folks, I'm going to continue to strategize and look for trade setup ideas for myself around the clock. You can see on your screen right now, this is an example of my trade setup ideas that I post for my VIPs. You guys can see here, that's an example from when I went short above 27,000 and shorted all the way down to below 20,000 for an absolutely epic profit. Let's get this crypto. The Dawn struck gold again. That's the format of how I post my VIP trade setup ideas. And if you're tired of missing out on all of my real-time VIP trade setup ideas and alerts, lucky for you, ladies and gentlemen, today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from Average Joe into Savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. The link is down below in the description and pinned comment of this video to join VIP. So I will see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto. We may now be on the brink of one of the largest moves of 2022. I've outlined my percentages for you throughout this video. And ladies and gentlemen, if we do in fact see a move of this magnitude, I don't care if it goes up, And I don't care if it goes down. I'm just looking to potentially capture the majority of the move in whichever direction it breaks to the best of my ability. And as I said, I will keep you up to date with all of that exclusively in VIP. Very, very interesting times ahead here, folks. Do not be getting caught like a deer in the headlights here. Do not be taking that trip to Wrecked City with Average Joe and James at the water cooler. You're better than that, and you deserve better than that. Keep your head on straight here, folks. Be diligent. Understand that this market right now could potentially be on the brink of a heinous move down or a glorious rip up. You need to understand that we are at the crossroads here, in my opinion. Okay, right now I'm going to get back to my VIPs. I will see you all in VIP right now after this video. I am looking for aggressive trade setup ideas here for myself. I will be posting them exclusively for you there in VIP. As I said, this is the format of my VIP posts. I will see you in VIP right now after this video. Today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from Average Joe into Savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. Do not miss my next important, critical, real-time VIP trade setup idea and alert. Let's get this crypto. I will see you in VIP right now after this video. And until next time, the Don has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curves. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
Material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell /long or short any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments. Nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Crypto Kirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Crypto Kirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Crypto Kirby may have an interest in the securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Crypto Kirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Crypto Kirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.